you've been following along since episode 1, episode 2, 3, 4 and 5, let me just say, well done. You're learning. You're growing. You're stretching the way you think about tech and what's possible for you. Today, I want to hit pause on our business analyst journey for just a moment. Why? Because there's something bigger at play here. No matter what tech role you're aiming for, I want you to feel seen and included. Let's rewind to our story. Helen, our up-and-coming business systems analyst, is back at work. She's getting good at asking questions, following processes, and seeing how business really works. But today, she's not alone. Her manager walks in with 5 new mentees, each one with a different dream. Project management, cybersecurity, software development, cloud technology, solution design. Each one has a unique path, but they're all here to learn. The manager gathers everyone and says, "Team, this is your first real project together. You don't need to be experts. You just need to observe, listen and learn." James takes the project management route, watching the approval process for company purchases. He quickly sees how tracking each step and fixing delays is critical. Rita zeroes in on cybersecurity, realizing that small habits like sharing passwords can cause major problems. Ahmed tags along with the software developers, learning that even small code fixes can make a big difference for real people. Stella discovers the magic of cloud technology, tools you can use from anywhere, making teams faster and more connected. And Emmanuel, the solution designer, maps out how different departments use the same system in totally different ways. Meanwhile, Helen is quietly filling her notebook with everything she observes. She's realizing her real job is to gather everyone's perspective and make sense of it all. Before I go on, could you do me a quick favor? Hit subscribe. It helps us mentor a million future techies. For free. Every subscriber brings us closer to making tech dreams come true. Fast forward to the end. The manager smiles and says, "Well done, team. Next up, start learning the tools, language and mindset for your new roles." Helen's writing her first business requirement. The others are connecting their learning to real business problems. Next time, episode 6, what makes a requirement? Don't miss it. Remember, this isn't just about tech. It's about changing your story one episode at a time. See you soon.